Got aftermarket wheels that just don't sit quite right. Maybe they are rubbing or sunken. Today, we are exploring that with wheel spacers, the secret weapon to nailing your wheels offset. Let's dive into how spacers save your build, boost looks, and keep your rolling safety. What is wheel offset? First, offset is the distance from your wheel center lines to its mounting surface. Positive offset charges the wheel in, negative push it out. Spacers act like offset adjusters, slapping between your hub and wheel, and they push the wheel outward. Spacers cost $100 to $300 and over $1,500 for new wheels. Spacers let you keep your existing setup well daily in the perfect fit. In addition, BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in petal shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and TV certification report. In addition, BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, giving customers peace of mind. Such BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs. So spacers, offset heroes. They are cheap, easy, and transform your ride look and function. Drop a comment. Have you used wheel spacers to fix your wheel offset?
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.